What's going on, guys? How you doing today? Today is a good day. Remember, today is a good day. All right, so today we're going to talk about how to pick a niche. All right, it's not a hard subject, obviously. A niche is basically something that you're interested in. So if you were interested in fitness, what would be your niche? It would be something like, are you going to do diet and weight loss? Are you going to do, muscle building? Are you going to do cardiovascular? There's different parts of everything that you can break down into, and you basically can niche it. So if you were doing something like, if you were a chef, you could do something like a baker, or you could do something like, if you were a baker, you could do different niches, as in, I do pies, I do cakes, I do cookies, I do this, I do that. It's different categories pretty much of what you're interested in. I'm a big fitness person, so basically I would get into diet and weight loss, how to build muscle, how to get faster, I'm a big athlete also, so how I get faster, how I get stronger, how do I jump higher, how to do this, how to do that. So basically that's where we are going in the fact of what niche do we want, okay? So just to get an idea, let's say we're talking about internet marketing. Internet marketing is very broad. You could do blogging, you could do affiliate marketing, you can do drop shipping, you can do print on demand, you can do all kinds of different things inside of internet marketing. You can promote different businesses, you can do local businesses, you can do large businesses, you could do global stuff, you could do marketing online where you teach people, you could do courses. There's so many different niches that we can do. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to kind of decide what niche you want to go into, okay? So let me go ahead and let's jump in the computer, all right? And yeah, we'll see you in there, all right? What's going on, guys? All right, back again. We're in the computer. We're doing this thing. What I want you guys to understand is how to pick your niche of what product you want to promote, okay? We went over how to pick products, how to find your products, but now we need to talk about how to do the niche, okay? So what niche should you pick, okay? We're going to go through what a niche is. So basically a niche, or a niche as some people call it, is your, I guess you would say, your field of interest, your desire of interest, or your desire of product that you want to promote. Basically, to me, a niche is like, say, I'm big into golf. If I wanted to get into golf as a niche, that is a niche, is golf or sports. I can do either, really. Or if, say, like, I'm big into phones and technology, I could do the tech niche, as you see right here. I could do the health niche because I'm into fitness. I could do the digital marketing and internet marketing. Guess what we're doing right now? We're talking about digital marketing and internet marketing, okay? As you see in front of us, let's go through the top 11 niches that are out in 2020. You got the tech niche, the health niche, the digital marketing and internet marketing niche, love and relationship niche, the personal finance and investment niche, the pet care niche, the movie and music niche, the fashion and beauty niche, the travel niche, the mental and life coaching niche, and self-improvement. If you need help with all these, let's go through them. Tech, obviously that's technology. Anything you're big about technology, phones, watches, cameras, anything to do with that, that's your tech niche. Health niche, we're going to talk about fitness, weight loss, how to just eat healthy, just different things with to do with the health, keeping yourself alive. Digital marketing is affiliate marketing, internet marketing. We could do e-commerce, drop shipping, anything to do with marketing on the line. Love and relationship niche. If you can't guess this one, then let's go through it. Love and relationship would obviously be teaching people how to either date somebody, have sex with somebody, get married, or keep their marriage going, or keep their relationship going, or find somebody. If you have problems, obviously getting somebody to come after you, okay? So attract them. Personal finance and investment niche. If you're into doing investments or Forex or Bitcoin or anything like that, or learning how to teach people to do finances, you're a FA, you're a financial assistant, or you're a financial person, you want to teach people, 5 would be a good choice for you. Pet care niche. If you're into pets and you want to teach people how to take care of their dog or their cat or their bird or their mouse or their snake, whatever you want to call it, it's pet care niche. Okay, the movie and music niche. Obviously, movies and music are a big thing. I wouldn't say they're real big in the affiliate marketing space,
but that is a niche. Okay. Fashion and beauty, obviously, if you're big into fashion or teaching people how to be pretty, or how to dress, the fashion beauty niche is right up your alley. The travel niche, if you like to travel and show people how to travel and where to travel and what to do when they're traveling, how to get the best deals on travel and everything else, guys, cameras, anything that you can put around a travel is a travel niche. Okay, so the thing is, like, if you're in a travel niche and you're trying to push a camera, you can push cameras because guess what? You're teaching people what camera to use for their photos. So you could get commission on that. Mental and life coach. Obviously, if you need somebody to teach you how to live life or construct your life or organize your life or just in life general, mental and life coaches, if that's what you do, guys, get on it, because that's all I got to say. Self-improvement niche, obviously, let's take care of ourselves. Let's do better with ourselves, reading books, everything like that. So if you're good at that and you want to teach people how to do self-improvement, even if you don't do it and you think you would be interested in doing something like that, self-improvement is your 11th choice, and that is your top 11 choices of. I am using a website called Hustler right now. It's a blog for people who do internet marketing and blogging, and this is your blogging niche just for affiliate marketing. So I did not write up this content. I just looked it up on Google. That's all I did. So guys, that is what a niche is. Basically just picking what you're good at. Picking an area of interest, something that you don't have to be good at it. You could be photography and you're not good at photography, but you want to teach people photography. So as you learn, you want to tell them, hey, check out my photography blog and check out the camera that I use and the SD card I use and the gimbals I use and whatever else you use. I do photography and videography, cinematography, and I fly drones and stuff like that. So that's another thing I do. So guys, I hope you have a great day. I hope your day goes smooth. Keep your head up. Keep your eyes to the sky. Be positive, because we need a lot of positivity in this world right now. But guys, I love you and I hope you have a great one, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Remember, keep your head up.